Alright, so in this video I'm going to walk you through on step-by-step process of installing QuickBooks Point of Sales version 19. So first thing first, we want to go to MetClan official website to download the executable file. So I'm going to open my browser. Next I'm going to maximize this and go to metclan.com. Now go to the download section to open up the download page. Then I'll look for QuickBooks POS version 19, which is right here. So I'm going to download it, and let's wait a few minutes for it to download. So first off, if you don't have because what we are going to be installing here is the trial version. So if you don't have the license number, you can reach out to their support. So you can use the contact us button, or maybe you can go to their WhatsApp, reach out to them. They should give you the license key and the product number of QuickBooks Point of Sale version 19. So now I'm going back to our download to see how far we have gone with the downloading. Alright, so I'm going to open QuickBooks since we've downloaded it, and as you can see I have downloaded it before, so I'll double click this one to install. Okay, so the next step is to click next. We're going to accept the terms and conditions, click next again. We already have the license number and the product number, so you can use this for this tutorial. Like I said, if you want the permanent license number and the product number, you can reach out to their support. But let's go back to our installation and proceed. Then because of this installation and because of this tutorial, I'm going to be using only this computer because I'm installing QuickBooks just on this computer. Then I'll click next and click install. So let's wait a few minutes for QuickBooks to fully install. Alright, so now that we have QuickBooks fully installed, let's go ahead and launch it. So I'm going to click finish, and let's wait a few seconds for the QuickBooks to come up. So I might as well close this browser right here because we are done with the downloading. Okay, so I'm also closing the browser interface, and let's wait some minutes for QuickBooks to fully open. Okay, so this is it. QuickBooks is fully installed, and if you found this video helpful, please click like, subscribe and share this video, and I will see you in the next video.